A mother praying through the night. No food on the table, no hope in sight. Then a knock at the door, love arise. From a worker tired, from a long day spent, from a farmer far in the view away, from a student with just coins to spare. They give because they care, not asking who you are, not asking where you're from. Just hands that reach across to say you're not alone. This is Loloma, rising like the sun. From villages, from cities, we stand as one. Fijian, Indian, every race, one big family in this place. Beer drinker, church believer, job or no job, still a giver. From the islands to the world, we say love will always find a way. Loloma lives in me and you. From Lautoka to Suva town, when one falls down, we gather round. No color lines, no dividing wall, just open hearts that answer the call. Hold and shaking, young one strong, different voices, one same song. We may struggle, we may bend, but we rise together in the end. It's not about the money, it's the spirit that we share. Even when we got nothing, we still show we care. A dollar, a prayer, a bag of rice, giving in sacrifice. This is who we are inside. Loloma is our pride. Loloma is our pride. This is Loloma, stronger every day. Across the ocean far away, from Fiji soil to foreign lands, we lift each other. We